Hi friends, welcome to Maxime Education online classes. Today our topic quadratic equation on the factorations. How to do factoration. This is the important topic. This is one of the important topic for 9th, 10th and plus 1 plus 2 students also. So first I am taking on quadratic equations. So in the what is the general form of quadratic equations? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the general form of quadratic equation. In the coefficient of x square is not 0. Okay? Right. So I am taking one a, that is, what is that? X square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. This is one quadratic equations. We have to factorize in these quadratic equations. Sometimes he is given find the root of the quadratic equations. Or okay, how we have to? Okay, right. Here roots are zeros. Both are same. Okay, right. Next, observe. So coefficient of x square is nothing but means 1. Here 1 6 are 6. 1 6 are 6. This is x square term, x term, constant term. Okay, so 1 6 are 6. Then what I have to write? These 5. So these x square x term have to write product sum or addition of these product. 6 1s are 6. So you have to again write 2 3s are 6. That is also 6. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So observe x square 5x I am writing 2x plus 3x, then 6 is equal to 0. 2x plus 3x 5, never changed. X square as it is, 6 as it is I am writing 6. So here coefficient 1 6 are 6, 2 3 are 6. So signs are so important, either plus or minus should be equal. So in this here x square term, here x is there, just I am taking x common. Here x square means x is remaining, here 2 plus again I am taking 3 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. So here x plus 2, then again I am pick up x plus 2 common. X plus 2 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. This is the factoration. This is the factoration. So if we want 0 means x plus 2 is equal to 0, that is x is equal to minus 2. Similarly, x plus 3 is equal to 0. What is it concept means? Why we are taking x plus 2 is equal to 0, x minus 3 means? If a into b is equal to 0 means either a is 0 or b is 0. Then only it will be 0. Product of any two numbers is 0 means that should be, anyone should be 0. Then anyone should be 0. Otherwise it is not 0. That's why a into b is equal to 0 means a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. No problem. So here this is a, this is b. A into b is equal to 0 means either a is equal to 0, either b is equal to 0. B is equal to 0. X plus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus 2 bring that side minus 2. Okay. Next. X plus 3 bring that side minus 3. Minus 3. Okay. Right. This is the factoration. Next, again one problem. So I am taking again one. This is over. Next. 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. Same. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Here plus 6 only. Plus 6. Here we want minus 5. Here we want minus 5. How we are writing? So 6 I am writing 1 6 are 6. So 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. That means how to take minus 6 plus 1 is equal to minus 5. Coefficient okay. But minus 6 into plus 1 is equal to minus 6. Minus 6 into plus 1 is equal to minus 6. But we want plus 6 only. So we won't take this. So it is here okay. So it is satisfied minus 5 we got. but minus 6 into plus 1 is equal to minus 6. So we won't take this factors. Next go for another one factors. Same I am taking. So if I am taking 2, minus 2 and minus 3. So minus into minus plus 2 plus 3 5. Okay? Right. 2 plus 3 5, 2 3 is 6. Coefficients okay, satisfied, and sum also is okay. Minus into minus plus 2x square minus 3x minus 5x I am writing minus 2 minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. Observe here. Simply 5x I am writing 2x plus 3 minus 2x minus 3. 2 plus 3 5. Same signs, no change. I didn't change it, but just I am factorizations. Okay? Here also 2x is there, here also 2x is there. So x square one term extra. 2x square x minus 1. 2x is there. Simply again 2x into x, 2x square, 2x into minus 1 minus. Next I will take minus 3. Minus 3 I am taking here. Here also 3 is there, here also 3 is there. Just I am taking minus 3 common. X minus 1. Because minus into minus plus 3 1 is 3. Okay? Observe. Here also x minus 1. Here also x minus 1. If I take x minus 1 common, then 2x minus 3. This is the factorization. Okay? Right. Next, again one problem. So, 2x square minus 45x minus 47 is equal to 0. I am going to do factorization. How we are doing factorization? Simple problem. Okay? How we are doing? Observe. How we are doing? 47 2 ja. 47 2 ja 94. Simple. Okay, here I am using, observe, 2x square 40 plus 47x minus 2x minus 47 is equal to 0. Simply because minus 47 plus 2, we are getting plus 45. So just I am changing signs only. Just I am changing signs only, then it will be set. But 45 I am writing, 47 minus 2, we are getting 45. It is okay. Next, 47 to the 94 as it is. So 47 to the 94, you got same. This is also 94, this is also 94. Sign is same. Next. So if I am taking here x common, if I am taking here x common, what happened? 2x plus 47. 2x plus 47. If I am taking minus 1 common, because here also minus 1, here also minus 1. In these 2x, in this 47, no common term. No, therefore we have to take one only common term. 1 into something, something. That's why directly I am taking 1. So 2x plus 47. 2x plus 47 is equal to 0. In this we have two terms common. Take 2x plus 47 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. So a into b means a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. Therefore 2x plus 47 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to minus 47 or x is equal to minus 47 by 2 or x minus 1 is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 is the root of these quadratic equation. If substitute x is equal to 0, definitely this value should be 0 only. Otherwise, how to check. Not only this, in previous problem also same. 2 into 1 square plus 45 into 1 minus 47. 2 1s are 2 plus 45 minus 47. That is equal to 47 minus 47 is equal to 0. Simple concept. Okay? Right. Copy it. Again one problem. X square minus 3x minus 10. These are quadratic equations. We have to solve factorization. So x square minus 3x minus 10. is equal to 0. Here minus 10, here coefficient is 1 only, nothing but means 1 into minus 10. 1 into minus 10, you have to write minus 10. Next here x term is there. So these x term we have to write product of factors, addition or subtraction of these factors. 10 I am writing 1 10s are 10, but 10 minus 1 we are getting 9. So it is not possible. 10 plus 1 we are getting 11. This is also not possible. So again I am writing 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. 5 plus 2 7. So but we need 3. So 5 minus 2 we get 7. So 5 minus 2 3. So if we need minus 3, that's why I am writing x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. That means minus 5 into plus 2, minus into plus, minus 5 to the 10. So both are equal. Satisfied. Next, here, which is x is the common term. So minus 5 plus 2 I get minus 3 only. So no need to any, I didn't change any, just I written different only. X I am taking, x minus 5. Next plus 2 I am taking common. Here 2. For 10 I am writing 5 to the 10. I can write. So no problem. So 5 minus 10 is equal to 0. Because 2 into 2x 2x minus into plus into minus 5 to the 10. So observe, here also x minus 5, here also x minus 5. Pick up x minus 5 common. X minus 5 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x minus 5 is equal to 0 or x is equal to 5. Next, x plus 2. X plus 2 is equal to 0 or x is equal to minus 2. What is the root of the quadratic equations? Roots are zeros. 5 or minus 2. If we substitute 5 or minus 2, then the value should be 0. Okay? If you have any doubts, go and verification back. Next problem. 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. We are doing factorization. So observe 2 and minus 3. 2 into minus 6 is equal to minus 12. But minus 12 you have to write product or sum of only 1. Coefficient is 1. So how I am writing? So 3 4 ja 12. 3 4 ja 12. By practicing only we are getting. If I annotate right here, 12 what I am writing? 1 12 ja 12. 2 6 ja 12 or 3 4 ja 12. We have only 3 choices. In this only have to inquire, pick up which is suitable. Okay? So this is only suitable. These two are not suitable. But should write know everything. So 4 minus 3 1. So now I am writing, observe, 2x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. What I am doing simple? X I am writing 4x minus 3x. 4 minus 3 1 only. Okay? Next 2x square I am writing 2 and x. Here x is there. Here 4x only 2 common because 2 2 ja 4. 4 into x 4x. Next 2x into 2x square as it is. Here I am taking minus 3 common. Then x and plus 2 is equal to 0. Already minus 3 is there. So whenever I do factorization, in this bracket should be number should be equal. These two numbers should be equal. Then only it is possible. Otherwise it is not is possible. We have to try. Definitely it will come. So x plus 2 into 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x plus 2 is equal to 0 or 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 2 or 2x is equal to 3, x is equal to 3 by 2. Okay? This is the factorization. Next, factorization. Under root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 under root is equal to 0. First you have to multiply these two. Okay? Observe. 5 into root 2 into root 2. So 5 root 2 into 2, 2, that is equal to 10. 5 to the 10. So I am writing addition or subtraction of these two only. So under root 2x square 7 I am writing 5x plus 2x plus 5 into under root of 2. So here if you have here possibly have to take x common. Okay, right. So x common means root 2 into x plus 5. So here only possibility, here x is there, here x is there. X only common term in this both. Next, here root 2 is there, here only 2 is there. So, but in bracket should be equal. So root 2 x plus 5. It is not possible. At that time, how to write? 2 we are writing root 2 into root 2 x plus 5 into root 2. Observe, root 2 into root 2, 2. So no problem. So here also root 2, here also root 2. So first I have to bring root 2 common. So x is equal to root 2x plus 5 plus root 2 I am pick up. So root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. So here root 2x 5 both are common. So pick up one common term. Root 2x 5 plus 5 is equal to x plus root 2 is equal to 0. So root 2 x plus 5 is equal to 0. Or root 2 is equal to root 2x is equal to minus 5 or x is equal to minus 5 by root 2. Okay, right, here also x plus root 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus root 2. Okay, these are quadratic equations. Next, again one, 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8. How we are to do factorization? 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8. Observe here. So 8 is in denominator. So multiple 8 with total fraction. 8 into 2, that is equal to 16x square minus 8x plus 1 into 0. Because 8 into 0, 0. Okay, next. 16 1 ja 16. 16 1 ja 16. And at a minus 4, minus 4. 4 4 ja 16. 4 4 ja 16. Minus 4 plus 8. Okay, and the product should be equal. The sum is we are getting middle term. It is a x term. So no problem. The sum should be x term. Sum are different. So I am writing 16x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. So here 4x is there. In the 6x square also I am writing 4x into 4x. 4x into 4x minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Just 4 4 16 x into x square. Here 4x is there, here also 4x is there. Pick up 4x common. 4x into 4x minus 1 minus 4x. Here also, but here 4x minus 1 is common. So here if I am taking minus 1 common, then automatically 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. Minus into minus plus 1 1 1 plus 1. Minus into 4x minus 4x. So always should be, the bracket should be equal. The terms in bracket should be equal. So now I am taking 4x minus 1, again 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the factorizations. Next, what happened? 4x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1 by 4. Similar also x is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, this is the factorization. Next, x into x plus 4 minus 12. Simple. X into x square plus 4x is equal to 12, or x square plus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. So 12 1 ja 12, 12 1 ja 12, minus 12 I got. So you want 4 only. How we are writing? So 12 1 is 6 2 is 12, 4 3 is 12. So which is suitable? 6 minus 2 got 4. 6 minus 2 got 4. This is suitable for in these situations. So first you have to factorization. So which is suitable? Then only you solve. Otherwise it is a problem for you. So 6x square I am writing. 6x minus 2x minus 12 is equal to 0. Okay? Right. So if I am taking x common, x plus 6. Here if I am taking minus 2 common, same, x plus 6 is equal to 0. Minus 2 into minus 2x, minus into plus minus 6 to the 12. X plus 6, x plus 6. X plus 6 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 6 or x is equal to 2. Minus 2 bring that side plus 2 only. Okay? Next. 3 by x is equal to 2. So, x is in factorization, in denominator. Multiple with total fraction with x. Otherwise, x multiple this side. So, x into x square. So, minus 3 as it is because this is only coefficient. So, x into 2x that is equal to 2 into x 2x. Now, 2x bring this side. X square plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So, coefficient is 1. 1 3 is 3. 1 into minus 3 is equal to minus 3. So, 3 minus 1 you are getting 2. So, it is enough. Easily we got. So, x square minus 3x plus x minus 3 is equal to 0. So, if I am take x common, x square x. So, x common, x minus 3 plus you have take 1, x minus 3 is equal to 0. X plus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. So, x is equal to minus 1 because next x is equal to 3. This is the solution of quadratic equations. Okay? Problems on quadratic equation. In next video, we are going for the another problems in quadratic equation. Okay? Thank you.